Hi, this is a short video for a customer, and let me see exactly. Well, actually, I don't know his complete address. His name is Jeremiah Carroll. This is a 1996 for F-350. His concern is no communication on the OBD port and no start. Well, I am actually connected to the computer right now, and I have communication. I checked briefly inspect the computer to see if I see anything visually burn or something like that, and no, no problems. This is the first, one of the first ECB computers. It's 104 pin, but yeah, I have the computer connected. I have two bits, the electronic pressure control, and I am going to disconnect the test light that I have in between so we can see how it goes from 11.3, and when I connect it to the actual test light, it will go over to 13 volts, and you can see that. So it is reading. All I'm doing is right here, connected and disconnecting this test light in here. Again, 11.3 volts, 13.3. So that is definitely communication. I'm going to put that in. Now the battery voltage, I'm going to change the battery voltage 1 volt up, and we can see how that went up. I'm going to go 1 volt down, another volt down, and then now back to 13. And we can see how the graph is showing that and the numbers as well. So Jeremiah, I don't have much to go by as far as you're concerned. The problem is with these all modules, I mean, I can read fault codes. I'm going to retrieve the constant memory to see what you got here. But when they are disconnected, there is a lot of stuff now that obviously is not connecting to the computer, so we're going to have a lot of faults that are just showing now. So this is a little hard to guide you through because it's impossible to connect and check for everything without having a node. I need to have a little specific of, like, let's say the ICPR missing, because I will definitely prevent the car from starting. Let me see what else we have in here. This was interrupted obviously because it was disconnected. Transmission range sensor. I got interrupted by a call, but yeah, so I was looking for something that might bring, or shed some light on to give you a recommendation, but no, I don't have anything. All those are pretty normal because, like I said, everything is disconnected. So I'm going to completely go out of here. So we are going to establish communication on this hole, and even up to 2003, depends on how it was programmed. You cannot go and read beam. It will not read the beam. But let's do an auto scan and see what it does. I really doubt it because I have not seen a 1996 connect to the scanner by reading the beam. So you need to actually select, unless you're using IDS. If you're using for original software IDS, then most likely yes. Yeah, you see? So when that happens, I skip in here and I go into American, Ford, select the software. Again, this is the top-down Phoenix Max, but it will be pretty much the same way on you if you're using an Autel or so. So I'm going to manually select, vehicle select, Ford. In here, I'm going to select the F series from 150 to 750. Select the 7.3 liters diesel. This is a direct injection turbo. And then select the year, 1996. This is going to ask me if the ignition is on. Yes, it is. Now we're going to select everything. Yes, yes, and we click all those already there. So this is going to now open. This is all what it is on the car. So we have just a communication in between the OBD port and the PCM. I'm going to click on the PCM and then hit enter. I also, one thing that I want to mention, you want to put the ignition on before you connect the scanner to the vehicle, not the other way around, because sometimes that will not establish communication if you do so. But yeah, so we're here. So I'm going to go again into read data stream, and I'm going to do just the same thing. I'm going to just select the battery voltage, just so we can see that indeed we have communication, because the only way that my scanner can read the voltage through the diagnostic equipment right now is because it's going through the OBD port, sending the signal and so on. So I'm going to change the voltage. I'm going to go up 1 volt, another volt up, right? So I'm going to go volt down, another volt down, another volt down, so 12 volts and so, and then back to 13. And we can see all that changes on the graph. So hopefully you can see that. So yeah, the computer is communicated 100%. Nothing wrong with this. All right, guys, this is just a short video, a test for a customer. He's looking forward to get some light of what it might be on the car, but yeah, definitely not the computer, at least not for no communication. I will have to send you this back, connect it to the car, make sure that you can read faults, and then I might be able to help you or guide you through what you can do tests on the car. But as you see, there is nothing running here. All right, guys, thank you so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.